Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Ned Flanders from The Simpsons, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment. I'm going to do a full body pose. I'm going to have his arm waving up here, saying hi diddly dokley. So let's go in at the top. I'm going to do his kind of flat, curved hair. I'm going to start at the top here, and what I'm going to do is head over to the right, so that's like the middle point of his hair. I'm going to go curve around the side of his hair. Then what I'll do is go kind of like downwards here, all the way down to about that point there. And on the other side, I'm going to go continue this curved line. I'm going to go around this way here and down like that to the side of his head. Just sort of straighten that curve around there up. Around the side of his head. Alright, next up, I'm going to do a little curve on the inside of his head. So this will be his forehead area and where the hair meets the forehead. So I'm going to go from there and do a nice curve around. Around like that, okay? Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop his little brow areas in. So I've got a little curve coming out here, which then goes to where his eye is. And I've got a little area just here, where his eye is there. Okay, now I've got his two eyes, and he's wearing glasses, but that's kind of obscured because he's straight on. So what I'll do first is just start off with his nose. He's got a little circular element of a nose coming out right in the middle here, like that. And now I've got that, I can draw his eyes in. So two big circles, left and right. Let's go on the right. Let's start from the nose element out here. Nice circle around like that. And on this side, just start off that nose element again, just over to the left a little bit, and away we go. Nice, okay, got those two eyes in, nice circular eyes. And what I can do there now is just draw a little line either side where his glasses are, like the handles of the arms of the glasses. And then just a little bit in the middle, join them. And we'll have them looking over to the left, so one eye here, little pupil, one eye there, little pupil there. There we go, it's starting to come together. I'm going to draw a line up here just for his hairline, so I'm going to do a little curve there, curve line there, curve there, and then another coming around, just curve it there, curve it there. Okay, now I've got that in, I can actually go in and draw the sides of his, sort of from his cheek down to his jaw and his neck. So this kind of tapers out a bit. Just got his moustache. So I'm gonna just do a little line out here to that edge there, back in where his jaw is there, down. And on this side, I'm gonna go from there, come out this way here, inwards there, and down like that. Just join up that little bit of hair there. And then I'm going to pop his ears in, so it's almost like a little curved C. It goes around there. Just draw a little edge of an ear in. And on this side, probably from about here, nice little curve of an ear around there. All right, let's go for Ned's custom trademark moustache. So little curve just under the nose. And we're going to come outwards, and we're going to go around over this way, over this side here, and around this way, like that. And then we're just going to join that up, slight little curve, join up the line like that, and then we'll just put a couple of little brush marks in to show it's a moustache. Cool. Now underneath that, I'm gonna draw a little curve for his mouth. So it's gonna come around, a little friendly mouth like that. Then I'm just gonna draw a few little curves where his teeth are, and then his tongue's inside there, and I'm just gonna edge the sides of his mouth so we can colour that tongue in later. Cool, all right. So now I've got that, I can pop his collar in. Little line straight across the neck. Then we're going to come out from the centre, which is going to have almost like a little V mark. 1, 2. We're going to come out of the side. 1 and then 2. And we'll just join those up. So it's got his shirt collar there. Little curve in the centre here where his jumper meets. And then there's just sort of like a few little lines to show the edge of his jumper. Okay, and now we can start just putting together the rest of his body. So first of all, I'm going to draw his torso. So I'm going to come out about there. I'm going to come out a little bit less on the left. Then I'm going to come downwards either side and just widen out of the belly area and around, okay? So the cut of his jumper kind of comes down here, comes in with the torso there, and then widens out where his belly is, and then down like that. And then this side, gonna come outwards where his upper body is, come in at the torso, then out at the belly, down like that, and then we'll just do a nice sort of curve across. That meets, and we'll just draw another little line in, kind of parallel to that. Okay, there's his belly. I'm going to draw this arm on his hip, so hand on hip, arm curving around here. So from this point, just going to come out where the shoulder is, going to come down, 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 curve it around here to a point about there. Going to come from about here where the underarm is, curve it around here. Now it bumps out a bit there where his jumper is. And then I'm gonna cut across around there. And then the cuff of his shirt sort of goes in a little bit here. And then again, we've got another little parallel line. Then we've got this gap here where we can put his hand in. So it's clenched fist, but it kind of just comes round and into the arm area there. From the bottom here, we'll curve it around in there, just a little hint of another finger, so another little line there, maybe another little one there, and now we can look at this arm here. So this arm comes out here up to a waving Ned Flanders hello. So let's go from the top, let's do the shoulder, gonna come outwards around like that, and again his jumper sort of bumps up where we have the forearm, so pop it up like that, so it goes right up there. At the underarm, probably about this point here, just give it a little curve as we go along. Then we get to the elbow, we come up, it almost pops out again and in, and then we've got the cuff, so we just go, I guess a line here and maybe a line there, and we just draw a nice curve around there. Now I've got his hand in a waving position, so I'm going to go from the side here where his thumb is. I'm going to come out here, just sort of draw a little thumb element there. Then come up here, I'm going to go draw finger there, come out, up again, finger there, come out one more time, and we'll just draw that little finger popping out to there. Then we do a nice little curve down to his jumper. So a little line like that just to show his palm, and then we're cool to continue the legs. So with the legs, they just cut in a little bit either side where their jumper is, and then they kind of flare out, quite a straight legs on Ned. I'm going to come downwards on the side here. Then I'm going to come, I guess, around, curve like that. And I'm going to go up to the center. So again, we'll just bring the pen up. A little bit of a cut in there where his mid of his leg is, and then we'll come down on the other side. There's a slight bend in this one, ever so slight. There, just a little curve. Same on the other side now. So if I go from here, I'm kind of going to come out down to about there. Then all I need to do is just draw a little cut in around there. Then he's got his shoes on. So on the right here, just going to come right out over this way, curving around here. There's a heel there, and we'll just go into that shoe area. On this side, the foot's coming out this way, so I'm going to go right from the edge here. I'm going to come outwards here, down where the toe area is. Nice curve around and up. Then at the heel, I'm going to come down from there, come around this way and up, and it's just a little cut in either side of there where his shoes are. They're nice and dark grey. And then I think we're pretty much done. Yeah, that's it. There's Ned Flanders from The Simpsons. Hope you like the drawing. Let me know who else I can draw in the comments. All right, bye for now.